Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. Stock number is A6774. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera. Looking in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control. Your automatic transmission and four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.